How to change YouTube Shorts thumbnail after posting. If any day you're a YouTube user and you would like to change your YouTube Shorts thumbnail that you have created after posting but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, what you need to do is you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search YouTube Studio on your very mobile device. After you find the very YouTube Studio on your mobile device, you have to open it. But if any day you do not have the YouTube Studio or the YT Studio on your mobile device, you have to go to the Play Store there and then search YT Studio. Now after you search YT Studio, you can see an interface like this. You have to just install the YouTube Studio. So until and unless your YouTube Studio is just uploaded and installed on your very mobile device, you can go to the option of the YouTube on your mobile device by tapping on the option of YouTube. Now after you tap on the YouTube, you can also go to your profile section and see whether you have any YouTube Shorts on your very profile or not. Because if any day you have not posted the YouTube Shorts on your very channel nicely, you won't be able to just change your video. So you can go to the option of your videos as well. You can go to your option of your profile and then see the various kind of YouTube Shorts that you have just kept. You can go to the option of Shorts like this, and after you tap on the option of the Shorts, now you can see the Shorts that you have created. Now since we want to just change the thumbnail of the Shorts, we have to wait until the while our YouTube Studio is just installed in our mobile device or our various kind of phone there. It can be your iOS as well, and it can be your Android as well. Again, you can go to the option of the very Play Store there, and you can wait until the time the YouTube Studio is just uploaded and installed on your mobile device. Till that time, you can also do the next things, that is, you can create the various kind of thumbnails with the help of various kind of application on your mobile device, which you can keep later on to your very video. So after your YouTube Studio is installed like this, you have to go to the option of open there. After you go to the option of the open, now you can see the interface like this. First of all, you have to allow YT Studio to send you notification by tapping on the notification, and then you can see the interface of the account here. Now you can tap on your very account where you like to change your very thumbnail of the very Shorts out there. Now you can see the various kind of videos. Now what you can do is you can go to the option of the content here, and after you go to the option of the content, now you have to go to the option of the Shorts there. After you tap on the Shorts, now you have to tap on the very video on the three dots there, and then go to the option of the edit the video. Now after you tap on edit the video, you can see the interface like this. You can change its title here, you can add a description to it. Now since we would like to change its cover, we have to tap here, and then we can also change its thumbnail by just going and setting our option to change the thumbnail. So this is the way on how we can do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.